Hey guys, it's your girl Folasade, the Accountant to Entrepreneurs. Guys, welcome back. Are you excited? I'm excited. Because we're learning, we're making money, we're growing. Yeah, all of the good stuff I like, right? But you know what? Like I said in my previous videos throughout this week, guys, let me be honest with you. The biggest issue I've had this tax season was the fact that there are levels to business. How could I say? There's levels to business. So many newbie entrepreneurs, they thinking about the $1 million tax strategies. How am I going to give you $1 million tax strategy when you don't even have $1 million? Like, seriously. How am I going to give you a $500,000 tax strategy when you don't even make $500, right? Like, stay in the lane you're in. If you're just starting your business, make sure you have it structured properly. Make sure you have your bookkeeping. Make sure you got your accounting and your taxes are filed and you're paying your estimated tax payments and all of that good stuff, right? Don't ask me about $1 million tax strategies for a zero profitable business. If your business isn't profitable, it's no tax tip that I can give you right now. It's no money. It's no money. Yes, it's no money. And I'm not trying to be funny, but you have to understand something. When you get to a certain level in business, you have to pay to play. I'm going to say that again. You have to pay to play. So, for example, if you were very successful in your business and you owed taxes and you didn't have like a retirement account set up, you could have easily set up a retirement account this year and contributed the max by April 17th. But when I give entrepreneurs that type of tip, guess what happens? They don't have the money stashed to make the investment to be able to write off the deduction. Okay? So guys, with this video, I just want you to stay in the place that you are at. Focus on where you are at. Your tax strategies when you become a millionaire, it's going to be there if you have an accountant because it's levels too. We got to take you from, baby step 1, baby step 2, baby step 3, like Bryce. When Bryce came home, right, Bryce wasn't really moving, right? Bryce just wanted to suck, right? That's it. Now Bryce is screaming and chaotic. Sucking more, right? That's just like you. You have to take baby steps. You can't think about $1 million tax strategy with a $5,000 business. Guys, and many of you are trying to get advice now and don't even apply it later or think that will prevent you from having to hire me or the other professional later. It's not the case. You're going to forget about it, boo. You're going to forget about it. You say, Folasade told me. Now I'm going to have to hire her again. She told me 3 years ago what I was supposed to do when I get here, right? And I forgot. But you were supposed to be consulting with me up until the 3 years. See, guys, so the lesson out of today is this. Don't think accounting advice or tax advice is a one bam slam. It's not. It's not. It's a gradual growth, steady, something that has to be evaluated every quarter, every year. If anything changes in your personal life, everything that we said to you 1 year ago is out the window. So as your business grow, as your family grow, as life come with different changes, and because life is so dynamic, your tax situation is also dynamic. Your bookkeeping is also dynamic. So don't think that the advice you get today will be applicable tomorrow. It's not guaranteed. Guys, I'm Folasade, the Accountant to Entrepreneurs. Hopefully this week's series was amazing. Don't forget to check out our PDFs. If you go to Folasade TV, you will be able to get all of the downloads by easily putting your email address in there and grab my PDF from all of this week's notes, guys, okay? So I'm Folasade, the Accountant to Entrepreneurs, and just have an amazing day, guys. Bye.